In a few minutes, I can tell you what you need to do if you missed class today. This is Geometry, August 26th, and here's our agenda. It's on the J. Martin League's blog spot. You can find it also in Google Classroom. A couple of things that you need to be able to do is, first off, it says to complete the quiz 1-1 on Savvis EasyBridge. Now, there is a link here that brings you to a YouTube video, okay? There you go. There's the link to the EasyBridge. Now, when you go into EasyBridge, it looks like this. I'll start at neist.net. I can click on my launch pad. And I type easy. So easy to do. Okay? Then you access Realize, and that is that. Now, make sure that when you access the Realize, that then you can go in and do the assignment. So the assignment here is the assignment. It actually looks like this one. It is the 1-1 lesson quiz. Make sure that you've done that by class tomorrow or on Friday. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Edpuzzle. This is section 1-2 on Google Classroom. Google Classroom link is there if you need that. So it's right here, the 1-2 Edpuzzle. You can click on that link, or you can go to the Edpuzzle main page. Hang on. You can just go to the main site, and you log in with Google if you're not logged in already, and it will take you to the you can go to your class, and it will tell you what you need to do. Okay? Once you're done with the Edpuzzle, that's going to give you notes and everything that you need to, how it needs to look like. If you don't know what it looks like to how to log in, there's notes on how to do login too. Back in EasyBridge, there's an assignment called Math Excel 1-2. I think it's like 12 questions, give or take. You can see that it's the one that says 1-2 Math Excel. Okay? So please, this is what we're doing today. These are the 3 things that we need to accomplish. Okay.